Sheep farming is one of the oldest and most widespread agricultural practices, with over 1.3 billion sheep raised globally. But have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes? How these animals are transported, processed, and contribute to industries like food, wool, and leather. Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey to explore the fascinating world of sheep farming. Sheep farming is a cornerstone of agriculture, spanning continents from Australia to Europe, Asia, and Africa. These animals are valued for their wool, meat, and milk, supporting millions of livelihoods worldwide. Australia and New Zealand are renowned for their large-scale sheep operations, while countries like China, India, and Sudan lead in sheer numbers. But how do we manage the logistics of 1.3 billion sheep? Let's dive into the fascinating world of transport and processing, where tradition meets innovation. The journey begins on the farm. After shearing or weaning, sheep are often transported to markets, processing facilities, or export docks. Specialized trucks with multi-level compartments ensure the animals are transported safely and efficiently. The design prioritizes ventilation, stability, and comfort to minimize stress during transit. For international trade, sheep are loaded onto livestock vessels equipped with feeding, watering, and ventilation systems. These ships are essentially floating farms designed for journeys that can last several weeks. Animal welfare is a top priority. We follow strict guidelines to ensure the sheep are well fed, hydrated, and rested during their journey. Once Once the sheep arrive at their destination, they are given time to rest and recover from their journey. This ensures they are in optimal condition for processing. Veterinarians conduct health checks to ensure the sheep meet safety and quality standards. Modern facilities use advanced systems to handle the sheep humanely. From sorting to weighing, automation plays a key role in streamlining operations while minimizing stress on the animals. One of the primary reasons for raising sheep is their wool. Skilled shearers, using both manual and automated techniques, can collect fleece without harming the animals. This wool is cleaned, carded, and processed into textiles. Sheep meat, known as lamb or mutton, is processed for both local markets and export. Every step, from butchering to packaging, follows strict hygiene and quality standards. Even the hides are used, processed into leather for high-quality goods like jackets, gloves, and shoes. Let's not forget sheep milk, which is turned into specialty cheeses like Roquefort and Manchego. Despite its importance, sheep farming faces significant challenges, including climate change, rising costs, and ethical concerns about animal welfare. Droughts and other extreme weather events are putting pressure on farmers to adapt. While consumers demand more transparency in how animals are treated, we are working hard to implement sustainable practices, from rotational grazing to renewable energy on our farms. It's about balancing productivity with environmental care. Future of sheep farming lies in innovation, robotic systems, AI-driven monitoring, and improved breeding techniques are paving the way for a more sustainable industry. Advancements in wool processing are creating textiles that are softer, stronger, and more versatile than ever before. Technology Technology is also helping farmers better manage their flocks, ensuring each animal gets the care it needs. Sheep farming is more than just an industry. It's a global lifeline, connecting tradition, technology, and the future. From grazing in picturesque pastures to advanced processing facilities, the journey of 1.3 billion sheep is a testament to human ingenuity and care. What surprised you most about this process? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes documentaries like this one.